Welcome to Boost Air Heating and Cooling LLC, where excellence meets reliability. We take pride in being the premier HVAC service provider in the DFW area. With years of experience and a commitment to customer satisfaction, our certified professionals are dedicated to delivering unparalleled heating and cooling solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're in Arlington, Pantego, Dallas, Fort Worth, Irving, or Grand Prairie, Boost Air Heating and Cooling LLC has you covered. Our 24/7 services ensure that your indoor comfort is never compromised, no matter the time of day. From HVAC duct replacement to thorough duct cleaning, our team specializes in a wide range of services to keep your home comfortable year-round. We have the expertise to optimize your system's performance and efficiency, ensuring your indoor comfort is never compromised. Looking to upgrade your HVAC system? Our experts are here to guide you through the process, from replacement to seamless installation. Boost Air Heating and Cooling LLC offers reliable, efficient, and friendly HVAC services to ensure indoor comfort in extreme temperatures. Visit our website at boostmyair.com or give us a call at +1 68232010073 to schedule your appointment today.